another video, and today I'm doing a video on starting a new YouTube channel. These are, like, I know I'm a smart YouTuber myself, but this is for people who, like, want to start a YouTube channel or have, like only, like, a little bit of subscribers or whatever, and need some advice. So here's mine. Hope you enjoy this video. The first thing I have, like, notes here. The first thing I wanted to talk about is equipment. I know some people say you need this, this, and this, and that to have better views or better this, or more subscribers and stuff. But I know people who use their phone, who have used their phone, their iPhone for like 5 months, and they have 8,000 subscribers, and they just now got a camera. So you can still be successful using your phone using the phone. Look, you can still be successful using a phone on YouTube. A lot of people do start off with their phone anyway, so I don't think that's a problem. I still use my phone. I don't have a camera yet. I'm saving up for one, so I still use my phone for the filming part, but for the editing part, I did have saved enough money to get a MacBook, so I used Final Cut Pro and iMovie. But before that, I was using iMovie on my phone and some other editing apps that I will link down below to let you know what I was using. So that I am using my phone right now, so I can't, like, check. So I'll have them linked below. Well, editing. Some people think that you need to get a MacBook right away, or use iMovie and all that other stuff right away. But editing now, you can edit on your phone, you can edit on your tablet. You don't necessarily need an laptop right away or whatever to actually edit your videos. Because some people, I know this one girl, she has, I'm not even joking, she has like 30,000 subscribers, and she still uses her iPad to edit and everything. Like, she has the camera, but for the editing, she uses her iPad, and her videos are great. So, like I said, you don't have to rush and worry and, oh, I don't want to start a YouTube channel because I don't have this equipment, or I don't have this editing software, or I don't have this laptop, or this and this. No, that's not, like, that's not true. You can start off just with your phone, and they have, like I said, they have editing software and stuff on your phone, so you can start off just like that. Hate comments. Okay, I wouldn't worry about hate comments. I know it gets to people sometimes, but I wouldn't worry about hate comments because they're just trying to bring you down. They don't know anything about you personally at all. They're cyber bullies. So yeah, I will try not to let them get to you, because don't even acknowledge them. Don't even acknowledge them at all. So that's what they want. They want your reactions, and you're not there to be giving somebody a reaction because of their negative comment. You know, that's not what you're doing YouTube for. So acknowledge them. Don't worry about them. Your first. Now I'm talking about dislikes. Your first dislike. I've been there. My first dislike on the video. How I took it quite well than actually how I thought I was going to take it. I thought I was going to be so upset and cry and be like, I'm not making YouTube videos anymore and stuff like that, but no, that's not the case. I was just like, oh wow, I can't please everybody. Like, not everybody's gonna like my videos, not everybody's gonna like my content. not everyone's gonna like what I have to say. So I just accepted that, and I got a lot of dislikes on some of my videos. You go check them out. Go scroll down and see that I have some dislikes on my videos, and that's okay. Like I said, not everyone's gonna like what I'm putting out here. Not everyone's gonna like my content. So the last one is confidence. You have to have confidence in yourself, because putting yourself out there you will have bullies, cyber bullies, and you will have people like judging you, and you just have to have confidence in yourself and know that you create great content, and that you have, and just be like, I talk fast, you guys, and just like be yourself, be confident within yourself, and don't do what everybody else. How do you say this? Don't be somebody else. Be yourself, and that's what is gonna get you far. I know I only have 300 something subscribers, but I started at 0, so and it took me a while to even get to 300. 332 I have. It took me a while to even get there, because I remember I was stuck at 46 subscribers, and I was like, oh my god, I'm not gonna grow. I'm not gonna grow at all. But I started growing, and I'm so appreciative of all my subscribers that I do have. Like, you become like friends with these people, so it's really cool. So my advice to you is to start a YouTube channel. Start it today. Start it right now. You don't need all that stuff to start. Just need your phone, a selfie ring light, 'cause that's what I'm using right now. You'll be fine. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, turn your notification bell on. This is my bell symbol. I don't know why I did that. Ding-a-ling, I guess. Turn your notification bell on so you know every time Cara, Dimples post another video, and I'll see you in the next one.